Hello, hello. How we doing? There we go. Everything works. Wow. First time it could be the first time I was actually set up for this. I still don't really have a script to go with, so we'll just go with whatever. We're just gonna try to make a little like platformer thingy. Um, hopefully nothing too hard. So that it's ready to. I just want it to be in playable state while I learn how to code and stuff as well. Give me 1 second. How is everyone's Wednesday as well? The week's been going pretty quickly. Give me 1 second. Sorry, I guess I'm not as prepared as I said I was. But we'll get that. Okay, I think I'm okay. I think. Okay. Okay. Oh wait, I might need to put my microphone away, so give me once. Okay, so for the ease of my coding, because my setup is quite scuffed. I have to have a microphone on the right side of me, so it could sound a little bit off. Hopefully that's not too big of a deal. Um, but yes, so let's make our first scene. What's going on? Hello? Godot, what are you doing? Why are you zooming in when I'm trying to rename stuff? What was that? Why? Okay, sure. Never mind. I'm sure it's okay. I'm sure we won't get any troubles with it whatsoever. Um, what did they say? Use a tile map instead, right? Or is that the depreciate? That's the deprecated one. So we do map layers. Understood. Then we have to add a tile set. See, I know a little bit of things here. We need to go to tile set, and we need to upload our tile set. That's a background objects animated. No, so it's all of these ones, and hopefully. Oh wait, is it just this one? That's just it. I think. Yes. Okay, so we've got a little bit of things to work with. Yeah, yep. Yeah, okay, I think it looks good. Yeah, okay, cool. That looks good. We got a tile set. We have to get our um character. What would that be on? Is it still character body 2D? Yeah, that's the one. Then it says we need a collision shape too, which we can add a child note. Get collision shape 2D. Then we need to change the shape into a capsule. And also what we can do is we can save this as a branch. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a folder, we're gonna name it character. And then we just put character body 2D for the simplicity of it. So we can open it and it will be in its own hello. I don't know what Godot is doing, but I don't think it likes being recorded. It definitely doesn't like being recorded. Oh my god. What is happening? Hello? Godot, are you okay? Why do you hate being recorded? Wait, we can turn it off for now. 1 second. I'll get it working. Let's just do a Windows capture instead. Well, what the hell? Is that going to work? Why is it like so zoomed in for whatever reason? Where even? What are you even? Oh my god. Okay, well, Godot doesn't like it. Okay, I understand. Give me 1 second. I'll try to save it. Um, and we'll restart Godot. Jesus. Okay, 1 second. What the hell was that? Godot, man. Wait, are we back or are we still lagging? We're still lagging. I understand. Oh, I think we're back now. But since when was Godot so power hungry? Hello? Okay. Open it back up and hope it's working. If not, I'll have to figure out off stream and then we can go from there. Because this is a bit crazy. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay. I think we're fine. Probably quite a bit of a delay as well because of the there is such a huge delay now because of it. Damn. I don't even know how to fix that, but okay, it's working, which is good. I mean, at the end of the day, I could just capture my screen instead, but we're gonna do that if Godot decides to play up again. Alright, going back to it, we have the character and we have a collision shape. Then we need to add a we could just do it easily with the animated sprite. Which then would play the animation. So if we go new sprite frames, and then we can then get our little otter, and we can make animations for it. So say we wanted to give it an idle animation. We're gonna get these four into here, and then they're just gonna play. And then we have an idle animation, and then we can add a lot more to it. We could also have another idle. Let's see, idle alternative. Let's see. Perfect. There's two of them now. All right. Hello, Otto. How are you doing? Did you end your stream, or are you just browsing while you're streaming as well? Oh well, that's yep. Jump, yes. If you couldn't see, I'm having just a little bit of problems with the capturing. That should be fine though. Okay, that looks good. Also boosted up by a little bit. No. Okay. Well. Well then, that's awkward. Your dad, very nice. Very nice. Are you resting now before the Valorant stream? Right, time to do it differently this time. So I'm not actually sure what's happening, but Godot doesn't like me sharing it with OBS. So it's having a bit of a It's having a bit of a tantrum. Let me try to update to a new Godot version and see if that maybe helps it. Ah, thank you. What are you planning to have to have for food? Oh, indeed. Did I save? I don't know. I think so. I hope so. But currently my computer's frozen, so this is not going well. So I might have to do a quick restart. So no need to look fair. Yeah, I've seen you drew a lot more Batsu accessories as well. You know, let's restart Windows Explorer, because that's what you do when things don't work. Yeah, that's good. That's good to hear. It's always good. Okay, okay, so it's doing things. Okay, it's up. Okay, maybe it's working. Although there was a huge delay, which I'm not a big fan of, but sure, restart and upgrade. Yes, do that. Okay, are we back? Perhaps, maybe. Which is my monitor? Which is this one? Primary. There we go. Maybe I should do it through a monitor. Maybe that will work. If not, this is my last try with it. If it doesn't work, I am going straight to 33 Mortals to have some fun. It will be unfortunate, but yes, yes. And it also did not save, unfortunately, but that's okay. We can quickly redo it. Not too big of a deal. It is back, but it is very delayed. I do apologize. It's happened like 3 times. Not a gesture stream without tech issues. That's true. I'm supposed to be the most tech savvy person in like friend groups and everything, and then here I am breaking everything as always. Let's do, what was it, jump. And I don't remember what was next. Here we go, regular idle. We got the alternative. Got the jump. And we got the land. I know, it's hey, at least it's entertaining, isn't it? A running animation. Is this sleeping animation? Sure, I'll make use of that. Oh, that's so cute. And oh, this spinning animation. Yes, sure, yeah, we'll do that. Hey, Scruff, how are you doing? The plan for today is to make a little platformer with very simple enemy AI and like gold collection and levels, maybe a level or two. But just very simple. I hope everything works out for you. I need to grab food. I wish you a fun stream without problems. Gonna lurk. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Otto. I appreciate you lurking in. I'll be in there for your Valorant stream later as well. Oh, how are you, Scruff? Are you feeling better now? You all nicely rested from yesterday? Okay, so we've got all the animations ready to go. Then what else do we need? Let's save it. Hey, Nukes, how are you doing? Are you guys having a good Wednesday? The week is kind of running away from us as well. Gone so quick. Where did I save my actual? If I not actually made a scene, that's the main scene. That's unfortunate. So let's save this into maps. Let's stay organized. Don't do that to yourself. Oh, be fine. I'll just wear sunglasses for this one. I'm glad you're good, Scruff. I'm glad. What's the plan for everyone's? What's everyone's plans for today? Do we have any big plans? Any small plans? Any streaming plans? All right, no worries. That's fine. I can okay. I can multitask. I swear. Oh yeah, I'll do that for you, Scruff. Yeah, after stream, I'll get to it. That's very nice. We're chilling in the hangout as per. Yeah, it's a very nice atmosphere in the hangout. Don't blame me for hanging out. Feeling better today. Rested a bit more, so got some stuff done. That's very good. That is very, very, very good. So now I need a body 2D in this scene. I'm streaming later, back to Planescape. That's nice. No, you can't. Hey, don't call me out like that, okay? Okay, so we've got two scenes now. A main map and a character body. I just have to figure out the proportions of my tile map layers. There we go. Then we need to get a new tile map. Last day off, so resting. Last day off, so resting and waiting for Beast to finish work. Ah, that's nice. Oh, sorry. Okay. Also, I am not great at coding, so do not look for how I do things, because there will most likely be a roundabout way of doing things and just trying to brute force things to work as usual. Okay, so we have now a tile set imported. Then we have a tile map, and we can very much get them together and put them on. Okay. Cool. Cool. Okay. We could also group them up together, I think, if I'm not. Well, what did it say? Hey Maj, how you doing? Let me see. Where did I put it? I need to check the values for my tile map. I had it somewhere. Were they 16 by 16? Were they in downloads? No. No. I put them somewhere. I definitely put them somewhere. Oh, okay, there it is. And that's the font, free assets. I think they were 16 by 16. One second, let me just. I need to look it up. Should have done this before, but here we are yet again. Mash says I'm doing it wrong. Oh no. Where is the thingy that I got? What way am I doing it wrong? I do want to know. Oh, I'm so blind. Where are you? Sorry, bear with me for a second. Always happens. I think I'm prepared enough, and then when anything goes wrong, I am yet where I started. Okay, let me go this instead. They're not doing here? What the hell? Okay, so it was here. Okay. This one. Okay, it's 32 by 32. Okay, 32 by 32. Oh, well, that's it. Yep, bye-bye. Let's go tile set again. and then we can do setup, and then we can do, let's, was it 16 by 32 by 32 it says. So let's delete that one again. What did I delete now? Oh, I was supposed to just delete this. Hello? Oh, there we go. Oh, so it's 32 by 32. It is not 32 by 32, I'm afraid. No, I think this is fine. Unless I'm just being dumb. Oh, like singular tiles. Okay, that's fine. Okay, never mind. I'm just playing dumb. Okay, so tile map is here now. Get this guy a bit smaller. Okay, maybe I should. Let's see if he's too small. But yes, I'll take any tips whatsoever. I'll take them all. There was a thingy where I could paint. Oh, I could make patterns as well. Where is the actual painting? I need to paint. Well, 1 second. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so what we do is it this perhaps if we select? I forgot how to do this. There's a tile set. Tile layer map, yes. You have to add a physics map. Oh, I did it on my other thing, my other example. And I do not remember how I did it. You know what? Let's open my other example. And then learn from that one instead. Let me open this one. I'll pop it on the other side. Okay. So what the hell have I done? How did I do it? In tile set? It was in tile set, okay. So how did I do it? Yeah, there's a physics layer number 1. This will be a long. This is going to be a long stream. I am not going to lie to you. Have I said anything in? Oh, wait. Yeah, we can get rid of that. So I have this, yes, and I have one physics thing layer here, which how does one create and customize physics layer in the inspector of the tile set resource? Okay, is it perhaps in here? Physics layer, add element 1. Okay, perfect. So that means yes. Okay, I can do it now. That is all I needed. So now we just want to make it so whatever they will step on cannot be they will not fall through the floor, basically what I'm trying to say, or jump through or fall through the floor or anything like that, which is mostly just the green stuff. That's what we put around. And then with these ones you can also do something like this, which just helps. Oh, my bad. So it's going that way. And then that one's good. That one, oh no, I've messed it up. That way and that way, okay. And this can be the full thing. This one can also be a full thing. Yeah, okay, cool. So, in theory, if I do this, and do the little corners on the ends with this and this, then you know what? To be fancy, we can even do this. Okay, there we go. And now we need to add a script. We will just add a. We could add a template, just a basic movement, just so we get it working. Perfect. Save it. And let's also go back to here. But did I not do that? Yeah, no, stop. Go back. Add it to here instead. But I think I already have one, so I could just add one from where I have. Quick load. That one, perfect. So now save it, and all of them will have it now. Just a basic script as well. And then if we just add a camera to it, should be able to move around. If we press start, yeah, select current. There we go. Obviously the animation won't play yet or anything, but yeah, basically you can't fall through the floor anymore. He's a little walking otter. Could make him a little bit bigger as well, I think. Although I think I will just zoom in the camera instead. Which could be a good idea. 2.5 maybe. And also, was it in the project settings? Project setting, is it the setting to nearest? Was it pixel? No, rendering. The rendering thing needs to be to the nearest. There we go, nearest, close. So the line art, not the line art, the pixel art looks better. Okay, save it, and then Start again. There we go. And then we can do like a little... is it limits? Maybe smoothed will look better. Okay, but it's working, so that's good to know. Obviously, we have to get the otter, the animated sprite, to move down so it touches the floor. Let's do it that way instead. There we go. And now it looks like he's actually walking on it. Perfect. Then what we need to do is, what do we need to do? What do we need to do next? We need to animate him now. So animated sprite idle. No, so that still doesn't play. I know I should probably use an animation manager instead, but good question actually. How does one do this again? It was like an animation manager where it just switches between these. Do you add one to here, perhaps? Animation player, what is it used for? It is for general purpose playback or animation. It contains a dictionary of animation library resources. Some methods and properties use a single key reference an animation directly. These are all formatted as keys. Okay. Those are movement run. If the library key is an input string known as the default library, the / omitted. Okay. The animation tree, is it perhaps this one? When linked with an animation player, okay, so we have to have both. Sure, animation player. Then we can create animations in here, so a new one. Right, got you. And then we need an animation tree. To this one, no root animation node. Well, I'm not sure about this one, so let's just start with this one. So if I do want to make one, and I think it's just does the same thing where it's idle and you can just add things into it. But I do wonder if I can just connect everything to the animated sprite. Okay, so let's try to animate it with a sprite 2D and see how that works. Alright, okay, fine. We're gonna do the player instead then. So let's make an animation player instead. Let's make an idle animation again. So it will be... I'm assuming it will be just sticking in things, but I'm not sure because I remember doing it before, but I don't quite remember how I did it before. You add something, maybe it's a property track? No, it's not. How did I do it before? It's not through here, is it? Oh god, how did I do that? I literally did it in my other project. Why is my brain farting so hard? So let's... Animated play. What do I need for it? How does one work on animation? Okay, let's see. Maybe we need a sprite 2D instead of the animated sprite. Get rid of this one. Let's just add a regular sprite 2D, right? Because we still want a base. And that sprite 2D can just have a... just first idle, perhaps? Make him a little bit bigger. Let's move the collision shape a little bit to the right. Okay. Sure, yes, perfect. Okay, so add track, and we want to do a animation playback track. Can play itself, understood. Blend shape, no. 3D, nothing 3D. Property tracks, I don't know what property tracks are. Pick a node to animate. Oh, okay, this one. Right, okay, I understand now. So I need... I understand, but I do not understand. It's okay. Okay. Sure, so it is, okay, so it's property tracks. And then we want to do this, and then... Is it frames? V-frames? Frames, maybe? Texture? Frames? Current frame to display from sprite sheet. Okay, H frames or V frames must be greater than 1. Properties automatically adjusted when H frames or V frames are changed. Okay. Sure, so if we do that, and then we... Does it perhaps still... Can it actually do animated sprite as well? So let's delete this one. A sprite resource must be created or set into... Yeah, this one, right? Did I not save it, perhaps, the other ones? I don't think I did, so let's do new ones, right? Let's just do a quick idle, right? And then it's these ones. Then if we go to here, then if we add a track to property, this one, and then if we change the frame, No, am I being a dum dum right now? I think I might be. Okay, start one. Okay. So what if we animation, the current animation from the sprite frames? Alright, this is driving me nuts. Oh, okay. So I need to create a sprite tree somehow from all of these. How does one do that? Um, okay. So how does one get there? So yeah, there's sprite frames, yes. There's a sprite sheet. Can we create one? Okay. Questions. I have questions now. I need answers. Okay, so if it's split up, you can also just use a texture property track. Okay, sure, yeah, okay. Okay, so get gone. Um, what did I just say? Texture property, right? Not sprite frames. I mean, it's an animated sprite, so maybe. Wait. So maybe it should be the one sprite? Maybe it should be the regular 2D? I do apologize for anyone that knows what they're doing. This might be pretty painful. So you have that, then you get property, sprite 2D, yes. Then your texture, perhaps? Or you insert keys and then you put. Oh my. Okay. So I was just being dumb. Alright, that's fine. Let's say it's 3 seconds, right? Then you go at 1. Then you go at 2. So the 2 would be this. 3 would be this. And you have this one as a 4. Okay, just quicker, sure. So let's do 1. And then can I perhaps do this? Is it what? 0.6? 0.6? Okay. So we could do it that way. But he still doesn't play it because I need to do it in the code, don't I? I'm sure I have to do it through there. But let me just steal my code from the other game real quick, because that is what you do as a game developer. Where's Godot games? This one, character. Play.gd, right? That's the script, GD script. Let's just yoink it into here for now. Can I? Oh, there it is. So now, if I delete this one, character body to the yes. Then if I get clear, quick load, player. Oh, there's one in the altar. Delete that one. So now, technically, it should be working properly. Nope, nope, it's not working properly. What is happening? Oh, I didn't do my UI things. Oh, right. It should be in... Where's the input? Input. I swear it's somewhere in here now. Wait, where do I put this in again? I swear it's in the project settings. Or maybe editor settings? No, project settings must be. Input, or maybe there's an input map itself? No. uh Project settings, yeah, okay, yeah, so it's in project settings. It's in input devices? No. Where the fuck is it? I swear it's. Oh, fuck's. Oh my god. Okay. Blind. Hello. Yes. It is me indeed. New action. Add a new action. Let's do move left. And add event. Yeah, okay, cool. So move. Alright. Then we want to jump. And I think that's all we want to do. We just want to move left, right, and jump. That's all we want to do for now. So move left will be A. Move right will be D. Jump will be space. And perfect. Okay, so now I have to change some things in here. So it's not, it's move instead. So move left. Then you got move right. And UI accept is just to jump, right? And that should work. Nope. What now? The input option right does not exist. You mean UI right? What is? Oh, that's unsaved. Oh no, get rid of that. What's get rid? Close it. Discard. This is the one that I was supposed to do. Move left. Then move right. And jump is a jump. There we go. Now can we move? And we can kind of double jump. Kinda. We can always just boost it up. Let's see if we save that. Wait, so if we just do plus, then it should be like a proper double jump, right? Never mind. I think I'm still going. Never mind. Let's not do that instead. There we go. Now just to animate him now. And I'm pretty sure I need to fire up in... Yeah, this is fine. Is a good practice to replace UI actions with custom? Yes, I did very much. Thank you. Okay, so we got something going now. Now, how do you connect animations to... Connecting animation player to the script. I mean, I don't really want to do it with scripts. I just want it to work. Where, well, my guy has this. And he needs to play the audio animation. How does he know when to start and when to stop? That's the problem. I need a... So you do need an animation tree. Okay, how does animation tree fall into this? In animation player, create. No root animation node for the graph to set in, okay. Three roots. Perhaps a new, let's do, I don't remember which one it is. I think it's 1D or 2D perhaps. I think it's 1D, maybe. This is just speed, I'm assuming. Yes, it's just one way. Okay, yeah, so that's fine. We can do that. I think. Okay, okay, sure. Create points. Add animation. Add blend state machine. Oh my god, there's so much to it. Simple way maybe. So what if we but you create an animation into here in an animation player, right? Current animation idle. You still not play it. Then if I was only good at animations, that's okay. Let's see. Using animation tree. I think it is the. I am a little bit. I forgot how I did it before. I mean it's a state machine, but how does? I thought I could just do it on Sprite 2D, like the animated one. And me reading articles just messes with my brain even more. Well, I am currently just on this pretty much. I wanted to see if the animation tree with animation play is the right choice. Right, that's why I thought if I just do a sprite, the animated sprite instead. That's what I did. I did animated sprite. I did the animations. Set up here. Pop them in there. Then they work. And now I just need to set up how it plays, which is probably the easiest way or the easiest thing you can do with animations, but somehow I am struggling because I forgot how to do it. I forgot how to make sure that the... Let's kill that one. Ah, that's how you do it. Okay. Well, I'm gonna dox myself here real quick. There we go. Okay. So if we go back to script, let's just put in. What do you need? Right. Yes, yes. Jesus, okay. But then I want to do let's just do idle for now. Thank you. Oh, have I not did the idle? All right. Capitals. No. Does it have to be on the animated sprite 2D? Oh, right. Okay. Yes, I understand. I understand. I know it took me a while. My brain. Okay, no, it's okay. It's fine. I have to change it here as well. I have to change it here as well. Okay, I just need to read it through first, okay? Instead of just trying to play it, but it's fun that way. No, still not. Okay, that's fine. Animated sprite. Is it? I think I'm messing something up. Maybe I just have to. Maybe I have to rewrite it. So it actually connects. Expected opening. Hmm. What does it need me to do now? Why is it having problems? Uh. You can link with a node and signal. That's true as well, actually. Let's see. What do we need to do? What do we need to do? We need to do. What's the animation change do? Emitted when animation changes. Okay. Animation is finishing. Animation is looped. Okay. In frame changes. What on ready? Under that one, okay. Child entered, exited, order changed. Already that one. Right, okay. I see. We can do that. Right, okay, so there we go. So now now it should work. There we go. Okay, thank God. Okay. Thank you, Mash. I wouldn't have done it without you. I don't know what I did with my other project and how I made it work, but it did work. But this is definitely a nice way to do it. Yeah, now it's working. There's a huge delay, so I do apologize because Godot didn't like being recorded. So it kind of broke everything. Yay for Mash, I know, right, Nix? I know. I know. Okay, so that's one ready. Yeah, now I just need to make it walk indeed. It's not the animation, it's sprite frames. So let's do a walking animation. Do I even have a walking animation? I'm sure I do. The auto. There we go. Let's also make sure that it's... What did I scale it to? Did I scale it to anything? Okay, so if we move the collision shape a tiny bit to the left. Then when he runs, it also is fine. Okay. Eight frames looks good. Okay, so now what we need to do is let's put it here maybe. You might want to run collision because it's a bit tall. Yeah, it's just a little bit tall. I could also change collision while it's going. Yes, thank you. And with the run animation, we can also connect it to... Do we connect it to anything? I'm not trying to make the animation change. So input, yes, that's the one. Okay, so if there you go. You have to put it into here somewhere. Yeah, yeah. So I'm thinking if I just put velocity x equals direction speed. Otherwise, move towards this velocity. X 0 and then speed. So I'm assuming this is left and this is right. If I am correct. So then you'll animate the sprite. Never killed anyone to try, so we could. Have I not indented it? Expect to found it instead. That's fine. I don't think I can just play it by itself. I think put the animation variable with the if. Okay. Well, down here, right? If direction equals velocity, or it is velocity.x, then you'll play the run, and then otherwise you will play the animation but turned the other way. And I think that might make sense. So let's just do a little bit of copy pasting. And hopefully that works, unless I can't put two variables at the same time. Then you will play the animation, perhaps? An animation sprite. Run. Was it in the things as well? Yeah, it was. Yeah, so if it's not on the flow, you want to play the full animation, yeah. Animation sprite is not declared in the current scope. Okay. Is it animated sprite instead, maybe? No, right? So there's variable sprite, animated sprite, animated sprite. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay. And then, so I want to copy that and put that right underneath here. But then I want to also flip him. Play animated run, but flipped. Maybe I could also just flip it in here. Make another animation that's run left, maybe? It could make it easier, potentially. Although, yeah, I think the function would work better. Um, Is it H? I think it's H, right? Yeah. And I'm assuming it will just be here. There's already a variable named direction declared in the scope. Right, okay. It's a variable direction equals self position. And if direction is less than 0, it's H, yeah, okay. Then the animated the where is the direction? Direction is already verified there. So it could possibly work without this variable, I think. And if direction, you just flip it, right? Okay, almost. Okay. So now it's turning. Okay, but it's just turning. So then if that happens, then delete it. And then flip the H. Then I just have to make sure that if I am not using any of these, it will not do it. Is it else if? And then if nothing happened, else if. And the false. That could work. It is impossible to reverse capacity in current anyway. Well, that's okay. Okay, but it just keeps doing that now. Okay, so if... Okay, so maybe it's not this one. In 0 to 1. I think I know what happened to your bed. I am not pressing anything. Okay, so add the flip is false into the if. We found out what happened to the bird. He just had speed added to it. Because this is the velocity that is traveling on, like the default. Not the more you know. Okay, kind of. So it needs to be the other way around, I think. So this is true, and this is false? No, I am tripping. Maybe they both should be false. No? Okay, so maybe they both should be I am tripping. So if you're a false... Okay, so that moves, but then instantly when I go to the left, it also goes to the, like, they place the animation without flipping it. Maybe I just complicated this. The first one should be false. We just need to set the start as false. Yeah. That one is false. But now if I move around, creating new animations would be such a pain. So is it perhaps else if and then accepts fails found this instead? Yeah, relax a second here. I need a variable, right? It'll be this one again, and then or does it need indentations, or am I just doing it wrong? Does it need this? The first thing should be false. I don't know why it's setting the true as default. Yeah, I think it's okay. And then it would be like play the thing. Which is on the other one, possibly. Okay, else if, come on, why do you not work? What have I done wrong? Would this be on the tab again? No. Is else if not work? Else if? Because else doesn't work because there's already one else, right? Yes. Why I try to else if L expected a statement. If this direction is otherwise go this and otherwise do this. Does it have that? Um No, I mean that should work, no? Unless I'm being dumb on purpose. Oh, I think I am. Is this right? No? Found elif instead. But you do it if, else, elif, and that should work. Maybe I should swap them around? I wonder if you want it to be if the movement is more than 0. Then you can maybe, yeah. Okay, so let's delete this one for now. I wonder if you want it to be if the movement, if the velocity equals the speed. Oh, I could do. So we can do it in here, right? Variable, blah blah blah, and then on the ready function should take over when you stop pressing. Yeah. So wait, so do I need to do it up here? So if and then I need to do spaces, right? Or indentations anyway. Yes, so let's do indentations, and if speed equals 0. No, am I going crazy? Was it if speed and then if you go down and then do it? Because variable direction equals that, blah blah blah. And then if direction, okay. And then what, speed equals 0, or am I just being? Is it velocity? I've put it as a variable, so I thought it would work that way. No, okay. Oh, but now I. I know what I did. I just did. Oh, if on start, just set speed to 0. Oh god. Okay, no. So it's not that. It definitely is not that. We could do velocity. Um. If velocity, what? If velocity, yes. Yeah, so if velocity is is lower or greater than 0, how you do it? That's okay. So it's not like Unreal Engine. Also shows it was in the movement codes, so it was the fall. Yeah. If velocity equals, was it? Is it minus? No. Invalid of, okay, so sure, let's do speed instead. Yet again. Let's try that one. Okay. Maybe? Well, no. Well, I mean, it still works, but I'm just not doing anything with it. I think I'm just being dumb, and I don't know how to do it. The what now? There's no way. So returns true when the user starts pressing the button. Oh, that could work. Okay, let's try that one. So let's if velocity. Okay, yes, if velocity, it's this. That's the equal thing. Vector 2 0. Then I want to play my animation. I expected the thingy. No. No. Send you Discord? Okay. Now, if direction. Wait, let's delete this one for now. This is so scuffed. I love it. Okay, wait, so it's in my physics process here. Let's do to the direction. So variable direction equals input. You get the axis to that. Then if direction velocity x equals direction times speed, then you play the animation. So then do we not have to play animation here perhaps? Put velocity on your line. True. So you mean I'll put on the other one, right? That means he will do it. Okay, and in play. Yeah, I know the delay is horrible. I'm sorry. I know. I might have to restart the stream before I play it, just before I start playing the other game. It is horrible. Or I could just restart it now, maybe, because it is horrible for me too. The second variable. Okay. There's no. Okay. Well, it did the idle for a second. Then it runs well, but then it keeps going to the H. So is it this? What if we get rid of this? Okay, sure, yes. So we'll put it back because it is true. You go that way, but then he keeps turning without any input anymore after. I mean, it's still a good thing. I think we're getting close. And I don't understand why it's so hard. In the go for that tutorial is linked in the description. Oh, okay. Well, I don't mind if I do. Go for the learning experience. It is indeed on GitHub. Okay, let me run through it quickly. Okay. I might just do a little bit of stealing. So, speed is not. I have my own speed. Thank you very much. Anim is not declared. Where would I declare anim? Oh, but he does it with animation player, doesn't he? So I probably would have to put the animation player in, perhaps. Or should I just do the animation instead? So should I do like a just do the animation things like I did here? Like just use this instead. I was wondering if I could do it without it. I think he said the animation as a variable. He did, yeah. He basically did onReady variable animation equals get node animation player. Maybe I should also just yonk an animation player into here. I do have one, so let's do that. And then this one can go back to what it was, which is anim.play and then they do idle. So now I just need to do the animation player thing. And then it should technically work. Did it break anything? It didn't break anything. Thank you for your help. I do appreciate you a lot. Hopefully you enjoy your food. I know. I think I'll have to go through this next time, or for next week. I'll have to be very well prepared for this. Because I thought I could do it with the knowledge I have on Unreal, but I guess it is very different. At least for me. Okay. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I've realized. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I was wondering why I wasn't moving. Alright, here we go. So he's finally it is very different from what I had. And then yeah, Unreal's very different. Yeah. Okay, so now I just have to add um animations. Is it to here perhaps? Because it's playing idle, but I think it's only playing idle because of how I've made this. Whereas I don't think I need this anymore. So yep, so that's gone. I just have to make sure that everything is in this one. In the animation layer by itself. I just have to figure out how he does it. I have not found fall. Where is the fall in my script? Animation player fall. Yes. I have to get idle. I have to get a run. And I have to get jump. Do I have a falling animation? Do I have a landing animation? Could it be a fall animation too? Yeah, I guess it can. Okay. Let me just try to do it. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, we can do that. So then I just have to do it on here instead. So if we do idle, I am yet to know how to do things here, but that's okay. Is it creating markers perhaps? No, it's not. You add the track, you do properties. You want to do the animated 2D, and you want to do a frame perhaps. And if you insert the key, so no, it's not frame. What would it be? It would be a texture. Right, what are you? It's a resource, a sprite frame. And these are the sprite frames. So maybe I can do that instead, yeah. So if we add track that sprite frames, and let's add a frame, which will be how does that work now? Does it do anything? These are animations. Maybe it is not sprite frames indeed. Animation playback? No. Must be properties of this. Animation. And you just want to play idle? Okay, I'm getting somewhere. Oh, right, that's the time for that. I see. Oh my goodness, okay. It's fine. Not with easing, it's not that, because that's not going to work. Hmm. Well, maybe I'll quickly go through what he has. Okay. Oh my god, okay. Why? Oh no, go back. And then I can do this. Right, you do that, and then what? Yeah. Okay, so you do this. Then you do frame. Okay. Alright, kind of. Okay, I'm getting it. Okay, okay, okay. So now what I need to do is go here, animation. Let's go to 0 again. 0, 1, 2, and 3. And we could also do a speed scale if we ever wanted to. Although it is a bit quick. So I don't know why the number 0 frame didn't work. Unless I'm tripping. What did I just do? Why does it disappear? Okay, sure, yeah, okay, yeah. Oh, okay. Speed scale. Can we like make it so it's slower? Let's do like 0.5 maybe? I don't think that's how it works, but I mean maybe. It doesn't really change anything. Sure, yeah, okay. Okay, but that stops. Okay. I think I'll finish with this for now. Let's save everything. Save scene, save scene. Um and then we're gonna go to be right back. And then okay, so we're gonna have to restart the stream because the delay is killing me. But we'll be back soon. Let me just. Okay, so let's swap categories really quickly as well. So let's set this up. Game change, title changed. And then I'm gonna stop and start the stream, and then we're gonna play for a little while. So I'll be back in a second.